Hey and welcome friends to this video. Today I will share with you how you can cancel your order in Kakobuy and get a refund. So guys, go to Google, search for Kakobuy. As you can see here, this is keyword. Click the first one and then you will see this page. Just go to order from this section. When you go to order, select your any order you want to cancel. For example, cancel or refunded, click cancelled. So guys, you will see your order from here and then click cancel. This is also for return. You can cancel from this section, return or order. You have two options here. If you have any problem, guys, on this case, you can contact a support team. Before contact support team, scroll down, go to this option, return a refund. You should be read all this term and conditions. 5-day return exchange. This is product eligible for the returns. And this is request return exchange services. So friends, you should be guide, make sure read all this guide and term, and then you can start contact chat support team, write your order number, and then write your accounts, your email address. Before that, write a request, refund, request, return or refund products, and then click this one, and then you will get a support team from here. You can contact them via email or via phone number. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this